Beautiful day, Patriots. How are you? Today's Saturday, January the 26th. POTUS Trump has just tweeted witch hunt. I believe that might be his last tweet of the day, so I'm going to do a decode of today's tweets. These are the timestamps that have been placed here on this side of the page. These are the West Coast timestamps. His first tweet was at 5:42 this morning. That might work out okay. And his second tweet was at 5:52 this morning, West Coast time. Now, East Coast, you're going to have a different hour, but you're going to have the same minutes. You're going to have 42 minutes, 52 minutes. The hours are different. The minutes are the same. Also, the time difference between the two tweets are going to be the same no matter where we are in the world. It will be 10 minutes. So he went ahead and he did his first few tweets. There was a time difference between, as I just pointed out, 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 5 minutes, and then this one was 17 minutes. To me, that seemed like a clue. So I went ahead and took that tweet at 6:23 West Coast time and used and found the time difference between his first tweet of the day, which was 41 minutes. We used the timestamp and gap code. That gave us the gap of 40. We go to QDrop 40, and QDrop 40 simply says Donald J. Trump 4/10/20. I'm sure it's just a coincidence. We're going to go ahead and move on down here a little bit more. At 8:42 West Coast time, there was a 10-minute difference. It kind of made something jump out at me. There was a time difference of 2 hours, or excuse me, that's what it was. It's 3 hours. 5:42 in the morning was his first. 8:42, that's 3 hours. It was 2 hours and 59 minutes is the gap. That one talks about if you knew what was going on, you would never sleep. Our next one, we've got a big gap in between his tweets from 8:42 in the morning to almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon, West Coast time. So the time difference is 7 hours and 10 minutes from his first tweet. Very easily to distinguish there. So the gap on the timestamp and gap code is 7 hours and 9 minutes. It talks about how the comms here are for the bad actors are watching us. I did a video yesterday talking about this. A lot of people are everybody's watching this. Everybody's watching Q. Okay? So we've got his next few tweets that are going on. We're constantly trying to understand his ... system. Okay? So he's got his tweet at 5:39 West Coast. 10 minutes later, he finishes off the tweet at 5:49. That's a 10-minute difference and a gap of 9 minutes. I was not able to figure out how that would fit into this dot system. Then it just simply dawned on me. Because it can't fit, just go 3 dots and 4 dots. 34. So if we go to QDrop 34, what does it talk about? Or what does it say? Q clearance, Patriot. Okay. So the very last tweet of the day, like I said, I don't know if it is. I'm just going to go ahead and assume with a nice big old beautiful witch hunt tweet. It seems like that'd be a nice one to finish the day off. Came in at 5:51 West Coast time. If we take the difference between his first tweet and his last tweet of the day, it's 12 hours and 10 minutes. Excuse me, 12 hours. I've got this a little bit wrong. So, okay, so our QDrop is 12:09. So if we go to QDrop 12:09, the choice to know will be yours. All right, Patriots, so just this is how the timestamp and gap code works. I hope this information is helpful to you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless all patriots that are trying to do the best for their country and for humanity. Amen.